What is going on, you guys? I hope everything is well. So we are in the middle of lockdown here in Sydney. So I'm about to head out to grab some supplies. So while I'm out there, I'm gonna grab some stuff to make one of those awesome cloud lights. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a paper lantern, but it doesn't seem like they have any. But that's okay, I do have a backup, but a paper lantern would be ideal. So that's kind of what you need to put the cloud on. But I'll keep having a look around. Otherwise, we'll just go to what else you need. Okay, so the other thing you'll need is some sort of cloud-like material. So something like the inside of a pillow or some sort of cotton like that gives it enough kind of poofy effect. So I'm just trying to find something now. So maybe something like that would be nice. And something nice and puffy. Probably a bit too hard. So I think something like that is quite good. So let's go with that one. Okay, so I've got my pillow here. So now I could grab a hot glue gun and also some RGB lights. Grab one of these. I'll grab some of these as well, just back up. Okay, so I finally found the hot glue guns. So now all we need is the RGB light. Okay, so I found the RGB strip. Has app control as well, which is pretty cool. So let's get these and head on out. Okay, so we are back home and we have our light. We have our glue gun and we also have our pillows as well. So let's open them up. And so remember a minute ago when I said I had a backup for the paper lanterns? Well, this bottle here is going to be my cloud instead of the paper lanterns, as I could not find any for the life of me, which is really strange. But let's just bust open these pillows and start putting some cotton on this here empty bottle. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with how that's looking so far. Maybe a bit more glue on it, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with that. But I'm going to start to build it up here, so it's more cloud-like up here. And then we shouldn't be too far off almost finishing it. So let's keep going. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's looking so far, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. It looks quite nice and fluffy. Probably need a little bit here and there, but otherwise pretty happy with that. So I probably didn't explain the best before, but what you need to do is basically get your hot glue gun, put some glue around the outside of the bottle or around the paper lantern if you're using that one, and then basically just lay on this fluff from the pillow. So as you can see, it's looking quite like a cloud actually, quite like it. It's nice and fluffy. Yeah, so the next step is to crack open the lights and put them inside it and then play around with it, and hopefully you should get some awesome pictures. So let's put the lights in it and we can go from there. So you specifically need the RGB lights for this one so that it actually comes out looking like a sort of thunderstorm effect. If you get like a bicolor one, you can still achieve a similar effect, but the RGB ones just give it a cooler effect overall. But you'll see at the end, I'll show you some images. And it looks like they are working all fine, which is good. So what I'm doing now, I'm just threading this into the inside of the bottle. Okay, so I might actually use this time just to set the scene a little bit. Okay, so you can see I've gone ahead and spread out all this fluff, and I've done it completely the wrong order. So I'm just gonna spread out these bits. So when I turn this on, it should give that cloudy, nice and cloudy effect, which makes it look nice and lightning-like. And then when I download the app, it should get even better. I'm gonna turn off this light. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so I'm not exactly happy with how some of these are turning out, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the 85mm and try and do it on a tighter shot. So let's give that a shot. Alright guys, that about concludes it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new. If you try this, be sure to tag me at Christoffy96. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. See ya.